guys, welcome back to my channel, Imperfect Beauty. So today I wanted to do a video that I've been wanting to do for quite some time, and that is unboxing my FabFitFun, as you guys can see from my title. And I actually had my FabFitFun stolen and they had to send another one to me, so I would have done this actually like a lot earlier if some creep didn't steal my packages, which has been happening a lot lately and is really super annoying. So I'm just opening up this ginormous box that I got. I'm so excited. I look forward to this every 3 months so much because all their stuff is, this isn't even sponsored. All this stuff is just always so amazing to me. And like, it's like stuff that like you didn't even think that you needed. And then you have it and you're like, oh my God, why didn't I ever get this before? So I got this dry shampoo Tarte hair golds. This was just like the extra thing that I got. It doesn't come with the box, but it was very much on sale. And then I got this, I don't know how to say this. I think it's Lili Saduhi. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but it's like a circle necklace. And I thought it was just like a cute, I needed a silver necklace that would just go with everything. And it's a very minimal looking necklace. Ooh! And it looks like this. It's so pretty. And it's like, it's pretty high quality for the price that I got it at. It would definitely match with everything. So let me just try this really quick so you guys can see. My hair is a little bit oily because I've just came back from work. Oh, it smells good. And it's been all day. I don't really like, my makeup's like all messed up because I don't really like touch it up during the day because I'm too lazy. But so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's dig into this. This is so amazing because it's kind of like a present to yourself like every couple of months. And like it makes really good gifts for friends. So it comes with like this little magazine. And my best friend from New York actually turned me on to this FabFitFun box. I thought it was so ridiculous. Just like the name is so basic. So the first thing that I see here is Anthropologie Coconut Sugar Sea Whip. It's very iridescent. Let's give it a try. Oh, I'm gonna take off the little seal. So I'm hoping that everything that I wished for was in this box because I had to, I am definitely like one of their like select members because I'm just such a basic bitch at this point, you know, like what could make it worse? And I was hoping that everything that I put on my customization would be in here. And I think so far it's looking like it is. Oh my God. This is not happening. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. So this is, right, Sea Whip Body Cream. Oh, it came out really nice. It smells like how you would think a mermaid would smell. And it's really, really nice, actually. It's not like so thick, like from Bath and Body Works, that you feel like you're just coated in like butter. It's actually really, ooh, it's really nice and it like goes away fast. Oh, I like that. Okay. So the next up is this little box and it is my jade roller. That is so cool. I've like wanted one of these for so long because I see everyone using them and they look like they really work. It says use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Okay. I'm obsessed with skincare because I just want to look like this young forever. And I think it's so important to do preventative things to keep your skin young. And it looks like this. And it feels, oh, I like that. It feels really nice. It's very cold. Oh, amazing. Okay, that was item number 2. And then I got this Ahava hydration cream mask, which is amazing for the winter. I'm definitely going to be using that this weekend. Ooh. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener from Thrive. And it's a highlighting stick in the color Stella. Let's see. Shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer, powered by ring light technology. Don't know what that means. Ooh, it's pretty. Actually have been looking for a good highlighter. Let's see how it works. I don't think you guys can, oh, it's not bad. I would say it's pretty subtle, especially for my skin color, but it's pretty nice. It does fade really easily if you just go like that. It would, I think this would be really good for work, and it would probably look good on like your inner corners. See, apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes. Equipped with a built-in sharpener. What? Anyway, okay. Okay, so. Ooh, I have wanted one of these. It's Lashes MD, and it's eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. This is stuff that, like, I always want, and it's in my head wish list, but I never actually go out and buy the stuff because I don't think it's like worth the money really. But I mean, if it comes and it's like at such a good value, I totally would love this. And it looks like this. I've gotten one of these before and they actually do work. So I'll be very excited to use that. Okay. Oh, I did want this. Okay, it's black. It's the eye mask and hyaluronic acid, which is so good. And I think it's like one of those, everyone's been using it on Instagram and YouTube. And you just put it on under your eyes before you do your makeup or whatever. And it's an activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Some of these copies, I'm like, so corny. But let's see, who cares if the product works? Oh yes, okay. These are definitely the ones that I wanted. They look like this. And you put the, ooh, there's like a nice little liquid in them. Amazing. Definitely something that I need. I've been so tired lately, especially after this weekend, because I've been doing like so many like clients' makeup and photo shoots and things like that. It's just been a very busy 2-3 weeks. And I got this treatment mask for my hair. It's Moroccan Gold Series, and it's made with Moroccan argan oil. And I do need, because my hair is so intensely bleached, that I definitely need a hair mask. And this one looks really nice, actually. This. I don't know about that smell, but if it works, okay. Okay, and then I got this. Oh, it's so nice. It's really soft. It's like Mark and Graham blanket, I think. From Williams-Sonoma, it looks like. Ooh. It's like a very soft blanket. Oh, I love that. Oh, and it's got little fuzzies. Okay. My apartment gets cold. So this is so perfect. Oh, I love it. Okay. And then this, I think it was an extra like $10 add-on. So if you pick one item, your customization item, and then you see something else that you really like, you can add it on for $10. And I thought this was worth it because whenever I travel, I jumble all of my jewelry together. So this is from Halston, which is a really nice like dress brand. I didn't know they did cases, but they have all these useful little things right here for like your earrings, your necklaces. And so all of it doesn't get jumbled and tangled, and then you have to spend like an hour detangling them when you're just trying to go out and have a good time on vacation. And what's going on? Oh. And so here's all like the little things that you can organize your necklaces with, and it's in this really nice like suede. I don't know if it's real suede. And it'll just keep everything organized for me. How cute, right? And it's something you could like stick your passport into and like all your money and stuff, because you want to carry your jewelry with you anyway. I was hoping to get this before vacation, but whatever. Next vacation, whenever that is. And that's it. That's all that's in my box. So that's what she said. And okay. Anyway, I've wanted to do this for such a long time because I think this is such a good product. I'm definitely not sponsored or anything like that. So this is something that I truly love and I really look forward to getting, especially during Christmas time. And so I just wanted to show you guys my reaction and what I got and how excited I am by it. So thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Please subscribe if you can. Leave me a comment or just like my video and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much and happy holidays, guys. Bye.